If you see this, this is India data we have collected. From November 2015 till February this year, the attacks have grown many-fold. In fact, 292 times what we have seen, the attacks are growing. Almost of all the attacks that we are seeing in India, 70% are ransomware alone. When we talk about ransomware, what exactly it is, what it does. So I'll give a 1-minute brief on ransomware. There are 3 types of ransomware. Encryption ransomware, which is becoming very common. What it does, an attacker sends you a file, could be a document, Adobe, PDF, could be Flash, could be any file, Office, PPT, Excel. You just open that document. What it does at the background, it starts encrypting all your files on the computer. Any connected device, be your phone, be a pen drive, be a server, network share, everything starts encrypting. Only in a matter of minutes, the entire network, everything gets encrypted. And mathematically, there is no way you can decrypt it. Even with quantum computers, the only way to decrypt it is to have the key which is used to encrypt it. The key is with the attacker. And then attacker will held you at ransom now to provide him money so that he will then give you the key. Sometimes even after paying, they will not give the key back. And there is no reliable way of recovering the data. So the entire data that you have, which you have collected over the years, is gone. The other is lock screen ransomware, which is technically less severe, because if you are hit by a lock screen ransomware, there are technical ways and means in which you can recover the data. The data is not encrypted, only the path to data is blocked. So you can recover that data. So it's important to understand when an attack happens, what kind of attack it is. The one that was that happened against Mantralaya was which cannot be recovered. It's an encryption attack. You can only minimize the data damage further, but you cannot recover what has gone. The third one is master boot record, that is on decline. Again, a not very dangerous one. So if any organization gets infected by a ransomware, you should know which category it belongs to. If it belongs to category 2 and 3, then you are still okay, you can still recover. If it's category 1, you should only stop further damage rather than thinking about how to recover that data, because that's not possible. Why this is happening these days? Why the attacks are on so much rise? Why? Since you have already invested in so much security, a lot of organizations I have seen, the names you have seen, they have already invested in security technologies. Even then they are getting attacked. And it's not the small organization, it's governments, big organization, everyone is under attack. The reason being, all these technologies you would be familiar with, firewalls, IPS, email security systems, gateways. There's one thing common in all of them. They are all signature based. That means they should know about the attack beforehand. They should know about the malware beforehand. They should have the signature, only then they can protect you against it. The attacks that we are talking about today, the ransomware, the advanced attacks, they have not been seen before. They are very targeted in nature. You are the first one to get targeted. And since you are the first one to get targeted, they are unknown. And these technologies cannot protect you against unknown attacks, also known as zero-day attacks in our parlance and technical words. So if you are hit with an unknown attack, none of these technologies can withstand that kind of attack. Can you today answer these questions? Are we breached? It's very important. I ask a lot of organizations. In fact, there was a survey, and top banks in India, top organizations in India, they cannot answer, even the telecoms. Have you been breached? Maybe yes, maybe not. There is no definitive answer. There is no way to check that. How will I know when a breach happens? Okay, somebody targets me. Can I predict it? No, maybe. How will I respond when a breach is identified? Very difficult. 97 organizations were surveyed by E&Y in February 2016. What will happen, what they will do if they get breached? The CIOs, the C-level people, didn't have an answer. They didn't know what process to be followed once they get breached, because we all wait till that event And once that happens, we don't know what to do. How will I know everything that happened? What will I do better next time? How do we prevent repeat attacks? Whenever we are creating a smart city project, we should have answers to all these. We should be prepared for the worst. At least how will we react to those situations if they occur? Israelis are very good at it. Before they embark on a project, they think about it. And we should also do that. That's my recommendation. There are technologies available, and FireEye has one which can help detect unknown attacks. We're the only organization that invented this technology. We have a patent around it, and it can help you detect the unknown attacks. The knowns can be taken care of by the existing technology. What about unknown ones? We are the ones that can help you detect that. It's a signature-less technology. What I have seen, I've been working with government for the last 10 years or so. What I've seen, there's always a skill set issue. No matter which technology, which product you buy, we are not able to make use of that technology or product because most of the time we do not have that skill set. There is rotation, the SI is going, the skill set that's not available in the market, and we are at the mercy of OEMs to help us configure those systems. But they need tuning every now and then. So what FireEye has done, they have created a technology which doesn't require tuning. And that's a big advantage because you just plug it and you let it run for you. A cyber-secure smart city needs to be designed from inception with cybersecurity. It should not be an afterthought. It should be designed with cybersecurity in mind from day one. At the DPR level, you should be able to take care of cybersecurity. Privacy, integrity, compliance, reliability, resilience, all should be built from day one. Remember, you have to be lucky every time against the attacker, but they have to be lucky only once. It's not a level playing field. The last thing I would like to say here is, we are offering this service for anyone present here if they want to utilize, free of cost, no strings attached. We can come and demonstrate or assess your network to see whether they can sustain any low, medium or advanced attack. And we can do that study with you, assessment with you. We can give you the report, and then if you think you require assistance, we can then come forward and provide you assistance. Even if you don't take assistance, you should be knowing your current state today. And we are there to help you in this journey. We want smart cities to function securely. And we are there to help you in that. Thank you.